Epic battle. Hand over the 7 out of 7 Chaos Emerald. Never, you already got the 6 of them. I don't care. At least Amy isn't here. I'm right here, Tails. Ah, dang it. What is it, Knuckles? I think that Dr. Eggman's here. Oh, that brat. I'm right here so I can show you. The embarrassment of Sonic and Shadow. Oh, Shadow. I just killed Maria. Shut up! Ah. Oh. Why is it always me? It's unfair. No! Ah, the pointy things. I think Dr. Eggman is doing something. I think they're fighting because they love each other. I think they're fighting because they're dumb. I think they're fighting because of Amy's hug. Hey! No, we are not! We're fighting because they are fighting over the Chaos Emerald, right? Yes, indeed, Tails. Now, can you please stop talking? Okay. No, Sonic. Break the bridge. No, I thought shadows can fly. Yeah, why did I just say that? Boing! All right, Sonic. Run! I'll take care of this. No. Let me take care of it. How would you take care of it? I always got an extra box. Oh, Tails, you're amazing. All 3 machines broken. Oh, get you gadgets. Tails, you're great. Poof. I know I am. Now let me try that again. Try it again. I see what he's trying to do. Yeah. Ah. Oh. The end.